Welcome to Naga City, the crown jewel of the Bicol region in the Philippines. Let me take you on a journey through this vibrant city that's captured my heart and the hearts of countless visitors. Picture yourself arriving in Naga, where the first thing that strikes you is the breathtaking landscape. Everywhere you look, there's something beautiful to behold. The city is cradled by rolling hills and blessed with crystal-clear rivers that weave through the urban landscape like silver ribbons. One of the things that makes Naga truly special is its perfect blend of urban comfort and rural charm. As you drive through the city, you'll see modern malls standing proudly alongside traditional markets. But just a few minutes away, you're transported to a different world. One of endless emerald rice fields stretching to the horizon, where farmers tend to their crops just as their ancestors did generations ago. The beaches here, they're absolutely spectacular. Imagine soft, golden sand between your toes, palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze, and water so clear you can see straight to the bottom. Whether you're a swimmer, a sunbather, or just someone who loves to watch spectacular sunsets, Naga's beaches have something for everyone. But what really sets Naga apart is its food scene. The city is a paradise for food lovers, offering everything from street food delicacies to high-end restaurants. You haven't truly experienced Bicol until you've tried their famous Bicol Express, a spicy coconut dish that'll make your taste buds dance. And don't get me started on the fresh seafood, it's simply out of this world. The parks here are like oases in the city, perfect for afternoon strolls or family picnics. My favorite is the Plaza Quince Martires, where you can watch local life unfold while enjoying the shade of century-old trees. During festivals, these parks come alive with colors, music, and dancing, showcasing the rich local culture that makes Naga so special. But you know what's the best part about Naga? It's the people. Their warmth and hospitality are legendary, even by Filipino standards. Walk down any street and you'll be greeted with genuine smiles and friendly faces. The locals take immense pride in their city and are always eager to share their stories, traditions, and culture with visitors. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural experiences, or just a place to create unforgettable memories, Naga City has it all. It's more than just a destination. It's a place that makes you feel at home, even if you're thousands of miles away from yours. Come visit Naga City and let yourself be enchanted by this magical corner of the Philippines.